Hello, today we're going to discuss the VoiceDream Reader. If you'll notice, the app appears in the upper left-hand corner of my screen. You'll notice that the background is black or dark with a book being opened in profile as the icon. When I click on it, I generally open to the books page. This shows all the documents and books that I have downloaded into the reader. I can add more books or documents simply by pressing the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner. This gives me a number of options to add documents or books from. Generally, we either use our Google Drive or Bookshare. Today I'm going to select Google Drive. This will immediately open up my Google Drive. I'm going to search for my document. And click on the download, which is the cloud with the down pointing arrow. And click on the X in the upper right hand corner of the pop-up menu to close the menu. This opens the document, or downloads the document. However, today I'm going to actually use a book so that I can show you the additional navigation features. I'm going to choose Red Kayak. When I open up Red Kayak, it will either open to the beginning of the book or to the last page that I read. I have a couple different ways to navigate within this app. I can either select the chapter selection, which is in the lower left-hand corner, which appears as 3 dots and 3 bars. This gives me a list of all the chapters within the book. When I find the chapter I want, I press the red arrow there,
Brady,
and it immediately takes me to that part of the book and starts to read.
Startled.
I can also use the slider bar at the bottom to navigate where I want within the book. The last option that I have is to search within the book. My last search was Bonfire. This time I'm going to select Drifting and click on Search. I have one result for Drifting. When I press the play button,
Came from, my mind sure was drifting.
it's going to take me right there into the book. From here, I can get back to the home screen where I can access a different document or add a different book by pressing the home icon in the upper left-hand corner. Thank you for tuning in.